Ever wondered how to streamline the management of your real estate portfolio? Well, the future of real estate management is here, and it's called Real Estate Module in Hinawi ERP. This robust platform is designed to simplify the complexity of managing properties, tenants, contracts, and much more. First, the Hinawi ERP has a comprehensive property list feature. This function provides a detailed compilation of all your properties, making it easier to manage and keep track of your property. Following this, we have the unit list feature. This allows you to manage individual units within your properties, whether it's an apartment in a high-rise or a shop or office. Every unit is accounted for. Then there's the tenant list capability. This feature enables you to maintain a complete list of your tenants, ensuring all their details are in one place, making communication and management a breeze. The building statistics graph is another powerful tool. It provides a visual representation of your property statistics, making it easier to understand your portfolio's performance. Drafting contracts can be time-consuming, but not with the draft contract feature. This tool simplifies the process, saving you time and reducing potential errors. The tenancy contract feature is a must-have for any real estate professional. It streamlines the creation, modification, and approval of tenancy contracts, making the process more efficient. Printing VAT invoice from contracts or for other charges can be a hassle, but Hinawi ERP makes it easy. With a simple click, you can print VAT invoice directly from contracts or other charges, simplifying your tax processes. Payment management is a breeze with the link contract with payments feature. This tool ensures every payment is linked to its respective contract, making financial management straightforward and updated contract status of payment. With the refund deposits function, you can effortlessly manage deposit returns, ensuring your tenants are satisfied and your books are balanced. The print or send renewal notice feature makes it easy to stay on top of contract renewals, while the eviction case for contract tool ensures you have the resources to handle difficult situations. Posting deferred income are all made easy with Hinawi ERP. Creating commission for property management, creating and printing VAT invoices for deferred income. These features help keep your finances in check and your business running smoothly. For property maintenance, the maintenance feature is a boon. It helps you manage and track all maintenance activities, ensuring your properties are always in top shape. With the Create Notice by Selected Unit and Print Notice features, communication is streamlined. You can send the notices for specific units by both email or SMS, ensuring clear communication with your tenants. The General Memo by Unit tool allows you to create memos for specific units, ensuring all necessary information is captured and easily accessible. Hinawi ERP even helps with administrative tasks like renewing tenants' passport and ID information. And if you need help, there are more than 300 videos explaining Hinawi ERP on YouTube in both Arabic and English. This platform also provides various reports with filter features, making it easier to analyze your data and make informed decisions. With Hinawi ERP, you can apply your company rules and policies, manage user access levels, and receive notifications via SMS or email. The software is also integrated with other modules to provide a comprehensive solution for your business. In summary, Hinawi ERP is a robust, comprehensive platform designed to streamline real estate management. With its multitude of features, it simplifies every aspect of property management, freeing you up to focus on what matters most, growing your business. So why not step into the future of real estate management with Hinawi ERP?